Hey guys, it's your girl Kyla the Greatest, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a short tutorial on how to get these long-lasting salon resort nails at home. If you want to see how I achieve this look, continue watching this video. The first step, you want to size all of your nails with the fake nails. Make sure they're the perfect size and cover the whole entire nail bed. They're not supposed to be too big or too small. They're supposed to be the exact size of your nail bed. Next step, I'm going to take 2 coats of the builder gel and 1 coat of the top coat. Make sure you cure after every single coat. You need 3 coats, so you're going to cure 3 times. This makes it easier for me. I can just glue the nails on at the end, put some cuticle oil on, and just go. Now I'm going to start prepping my natural nails, pushing my cuticle back, and also removing my cuticles. This way it's easier to give it a fresh, cleaner look, and also the nails can last longer as well. Step, you want to take a buffer and buff the shine off your natural nails. That way the nails can stick longer, and you're going to start applying the nails after this. I use 2 different types of glues. I use one glue, and then I use the UV gel glue that you have to cure that came with this kit. Basically, that's all I did after gluing the nails on, and I put some cuticle oil on, and that was it. The builder gel really helps the nails not chip and really gives it that strong, firm hold, and these nails will literally last 3+ weeks.